Hi guys, we're back, and this time we're doing a grocery haul. So I just came back from the grocery and I just want to show you guys kung ano yung napamili ko. Okay, so we'll start with the non-food items. I just got a facial tissue. This one is a mini skillet that I got for $3.98. Nagkamali nga ako. Last time it was $5. Ngayon on sale siya for $3.98, so I can make omelets. And yeah, and then this is a toilet bowl cleaner. Okay, sa mga food items, we have this lactose free sour cream. Not that we're lactose intolerant, but this tastes good. Okay, and then this one, my daughter got some yogurt, although binawasan na niya, pero yeah, it's good as well. And this is for me. This has probiotic. It's a kefir. It's like a yogurt drink. It's a mango flavor. And these are some sardines. I also got liver spread. I'm gonna make caldereta again. And these are for my kids. These are their snacks. Pokey chocolate. I'm gonna make longanisa homemade. So I'll be needing some panko breadcrumbs. And then on this side, these are some mushrooms. Okay, ito another batch of sardines, tomato paste, and this one are mangoes. Ito are some raisins, and these are some dried mission figs. These are good, guys, for snacks as well. Okay, so dito naman ay cheese. It's smoked flavored cheddar cheese. So this is something new. Try namin to. And then this one is a capellini or angel hair pasta. Gustong gusto ko tong angel hair pasta na to. Masyado siyang iba yung texture niya. Tsaka, ewan ko, sarap na sarap ako pag gumagawa ako ng spaghetti dito. And then this is corn. These are eggplants. Ito, minsan pag ayaw namin mag-rice, I have some sweet potatoes. Imamash ko lang and konting salt. And then, these are preservative-free hot dogs and smoked bacon. Tapos, dito, meron tayong oranges. Meron tayong carrots. Ito are some potatoes as well. Ito, celery. I have some green onions, bananas. I have some gums. And then, ito, asparagus. And then, yung meat ko, this is what I use for my caldereta, yung beef stew. And I got 3 packs of the maple breakfast sausages. These are good with, or these are good for breakfast as well. And then, last but not the least, ating eggs. Okay, so hopefully this will last us a week because I have some more meats at home so ito lang, pinupuno ko lang kung ano yung mga nagki-crave ako kasi ng caldereta, so that's what I'm using or that's what I'm making. So there you go, guys. Sana na-enjoy ninyo yung aking grocery haul. Yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.